Happy day students, class 8 chapter 7 forms is your November month portions. So let's start with the chapter. So what is basically a form? You might have filled many forms, right? Registration form, your exam link form, or you might have entered somewhere your name, your phone number, those details. That appears to be a form. Okay. Over here what we are going to see is we will have a database with all the details one by one. Each details will be seen one by one. Okay? So basically form is a piece of paper that you will be filling someone to collect specific information. Likewise in Access also you have the same form. So you have different views are there to find a form. Form view, design view, layout view. So first we will go through the form wizard. Then I'll show you how it goes with the design view and furthermore. Okay, so to start with, first you should have a table like this. I just entered 2 entries. You can have multiple entries. And okay, yeah, over here create. You have to click on the button create in this forms. You have to go with form wizard. Okay, so the table name student has appeared over here. The field names like roll number, name is appearing over here. Now I'm going to add roll number, name, all the files. If I want, I can add all. Yes. Viewing next. So you want now it's asking it should be in column. Then I want it in paper format. What I want a form's name to be, I can keep it as a student detail. Student detail. Yes. Open the form view and the information. Yeah. Then we are giving finish. So now you can see the first entry that I made was Dev. If you want, you can just have a look at my table. This is my table, Dev and Ram are the 2 entries. So in the form details, new table, in the form view which I have created, using form wizard, the form that I have created, it has first name, all the details, whatever I have entered. And over here, if you click on the navigation button, it will take me to the next. If I had more information, each time I click on the next, it will go to the next over here. So over here, if I need, I can even okay, like this I can keep adding new records, so it will be reflected in the table. Yes, each informations are being added in the student's details. So I think on how to create the form wizard is clear. Now we are moving to the next topic. So next we are going to see how to create this same form with the help of a form design. Okay. So over here in the create button, this is the already database that I have. In create button, I have an option for form design. I'll be clicking that. So it appears in the design view. If you want, you can just have a look. See, it's in a design view. Fine. So when it appears in the design view, this is how it appears. You can see a small prompt like this. Okay. Over the property sheet, these properties are being available. Now in this you can select your database. Property sheet, all. The only one table is there, so you can just close it. Back to 1 minute. You have to select back the same. So over here property sheet is there where the properties appear, adding existing. So if you expand this, you can see the existing rows. Now according to your, if you double click on it, the form has been, each of them gets added up. Yes, if you want, you can add caption to it. You can just view the properties of each of them. Each file, if you want, you can see the properties of those over here. Yes, again, you can set the allowed value. What is the value you want it to have? All those can be set over here. Yes, now instead of this, I can make it as roll number. So roll numbers, the value, what is the spacing, where it is found, all those informations can be reset. Yes, this is how you create a form wizard using, you create form using form design. Hope with this chapter gets over.